Greetings to Madam Diana. My name is Devi, daughter of Murugan, from Group FHPK21. My number matrica is H228047. Today I am gonna present about article review text 1, which is strategies of overcoming disappointment. Let's go to the presentation. Today I am gonna explain why I chose this text. As a teenager, I am also facing a lot of disappointment, and it's real is connected to my heart. The purpose of the text, the methods for dealing with disappointment, and learning about its benefits and drawbacks. Disappointment can be daunting, but it doesn't have to take our life. We should know to dealing the disappointment with carefully. Second, Indian or audience of the text. People in their twenties who have experienced disappointment in their life. Nowadays, teenagers facing a lot of disappointment can bring them to wrong paths such as taking drugs, vandalism, committed suicide, and etc. etc. Thesis of statement is disappointment can be either transient or pervasive in a certain area of the life. Let's see our advantage of disappointment. We should appreciate what have life and dealing with disappointment give us some strength for the life. And disadvantage of disappointment is can bring to negative effect and destroy our future too. Let's talk about the topic sentence of the text. First of all, present self-kindness, common humanity, and attention must be all present to create self-composition. As we can see that paragraph second and line 1 and 2 has explained three components must be have to present. Second, some people may find it difficult to practice self-composition, especially if they have endured child trauma or grew up in dysfunctional family. In as we can see that paragraph third and line 1 and 2 also explain why people some find the difficult. Third, the self is identified as the core or essence of the pupil in internal family system IFS therapy. As we can see also in paragraph 4, the line 1 to 2 explain the internal family system IFS. Okay, let's we see. Does this topic sentence related to the thesis statement of the text? My answer is yes, of course it's related. As a repetition, I can say disappointment can give advantage and disadvantage. As an advantage, can bring them how to dealing with some obstacle in the life and given strength to the about their life as a disadvantage can destroy their future. Let me explain how does the author present to the arguments to support each topic sentence. The author presents all of the arguments by demonstrating explanation, example, and reason that are relevant to the topic purpose. Are the argument convincing? My answer is yes. Of course, it's convincing because the arguments in the article are supported by research worldwide. When the readers reading the article gives some motivation to uh, overcome the obstacle in the life because it's supported by research worldwide. Are these opposing views and how the views counterargue? First of all, let's see the opposing views. Self-kindness, common humanity, and mindfulness are components of self-composition and help promote mental and emotional health. As I told earlier, disappointment also gives some strength to the mental emotional health and gives some motivation to overcome not only disappointment all kind of problems. Second, let's see the counter argument. Some people may find it difficult to practice self-compassion, especially if They have to endure childhood trauma or grow up in the dysfunctional family. If the family was supported by love, I always can say child can be overcome their disappointment or share their problems with the family. If the family doesn't give support as well, the child can be go the wrong path. At last and not least, come go to calculation. Is the idea related to my own experience? My answer is definitely because as a university student, I struggle to complete my assignment and tasks. Not as a university student, as a daughter, I also have uh, overcoming facing many disappointment. As an example, if I give some ideas, my parents won't support it, give me some disappointment and give some heartbroken too. How important is the information to you as a student? As a student, I can see disappointment can give the advantage and disadvantage for the student. And I can say whenever life gives you many disappointment, we should take as advantage only and not going to the wrong path. Thank you for spending time to watching my video. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.